You like cashew
Yep.
nuts?
Yeah.
Okay, good.
Can you take
I'm gonna take a video.
oh please
That'll look nice.
okay
Okay,
คล้ายเคลา this is special for you Thai dinner okay how about Johnny Uncle John okay ก่อน
Okay.
The blue kamikaze.
Blue kamikaze.
Yes.
I see it.
And for water, yeah.
Well, do you want something else? You didn't see the pineapple?
No.
Okay. If you don't like it, I'll drink it. Make a dry call.
They put there's pineapple in the Singapore
Yeah,
sling.
he noticed after the fact.
ค่ะสวัสดีค่ะเพื่อนๆวันนี้พี่เพชรกับจอนพาหลานสาวเกหลากับแฟนหลานสาวมาทานอาหารไทยที่ร้านนะคะร้านนี้พี่เพชรเคยมาทานแล้วนะคะหนหนึ่งวันนี้ติดใจค่ะกลับมาอีกทีค่ะเดี๋ยวมาดูกันนะคะว่าพี่เพชรสั่งอะไรมั่งนะคะทุกคนอร่อยแน่นอนค่ะรับรองทุกคน
Just self.
By yourself.
You just ignore and start to do that.
But are you waiting for your meal?
Oh, yes.
โอเคให้เกหลาเขียนนะ แล้วมาแล้วยำมะม่วง
Mango salad.
God made the God
Mango
made
salad.
now and God made pod.
And the spring
Man
roll.
made booze.
อุ้ย
which
สปริงโร
who
ล
do you
ไม่ได้
trust?
ไหน
Like salmon
Enjoy.
roll with this T-shirt.
ขอบคุณมากค่ะ
Thank
ส
you.
ปริงโร and this
Mango salad.
mango salad this special I didn't order
Yeah?
give
Didn't
for free
order.
yeah
God, thank you. What that last time.
Thick enough, I think he'll be fine. Never had mango salad. You good? Refreshing, I bet.
ดู
Yeah, pretty bad when I have to teach you Thai.
oh it's very nice what they call that one
Blue kamikaze.
บูคามาคอซี่ and คล้าย how about your drink
Singapore sling.
oh Singapore sling I used to drink a lot when I was young Singapore sling
You
yep
drank a Singapore sling?
Yep, I
bet
am.
You were easy.
oh very nice
She's gonna, her and her friends split a bottle of beer and have half a cup each.
Was it stronger?
No,
I'm gonna warn you, that's cilantro.
none of them drink.
Taste it.
Too bad?
มาแล้ว
Yeah,
ซุป
that's why I took mine out too.
ซุปของพี่เองเดี๋ยวพี่จะให้เขาชิมหน่อยนึงต้มยำซุปพี่เพชรชอบมาครั้งที่สองก็ขอสั่งอีกทีนึงเพราะอร่อยแซ่บ
Tell you what, everybody just let my pen ride. If you're an asshole, they go, my pen ride. If you're not an asshole, they go, my pen ride. So one way or another, you're covered. But all my pen ride means, never mind. Because you see the weird people that work in stores and shit. Over here, they probably never hire them.
Can cashew nut and steam rice เดี๋ยวข้าวผัดกำลังมา
That's not too hot, man.
I'm fine. If it starts burning, I just rinse it out.
Wouldn't look too bad.
not too
When
hot
you guys come to Thailand, I'll take you to a tropical island to eat that with the macaws. What do they call them things?
Parrots?
Macaws. No, the birds with two bills. Double bill.
I know what you're talking about.
Sitting over there watching you eat. Very nice with the ocean in the background.
Yeah. After seeing how much camping costs, it's a little easier to think that we can do that.
Yeah, but we went a little crazy camping. We brought back a lot of stuff.
But it wasn't
I don't know why people.
enough to warrant it.
I don't know why people always they send them not one.
Out of touch, eh?
ชิม
They come. They don't.
Basil
Maybe
leaf,
they
very
actually
nice.
kill them. The ones in my pocket. I had some of them like just 6 or 8 in the bottom of my pocket. That
ฮาชูนัทวิชชิ
they
เก้น
didn't. Well, they're
ต้ม
not
ย
gonna lose. Who's gonna look at
ต้ม
your
ยำซีฟู้ด
pocket for a seed?
เกลาโกเฮด you can have steam right
No, they didn't sprout. They wouldn't come. No, wouldn't even start. Had to sell the farm. Didn't have any seed.
โกเฮด
What do you want to try?
Then I went down to the
I'm gonna
island.
try
Try that or that?
Stick weed from
First.
the guy at the Ting Tong Club, and I went back and roll a little bit up, and I just fire the seed into a pot and everything.
I'm gonna try
go
that.
ahead yeah go ahead yeah
Growing in my balcony, every one of them was gone. Every one I got from Canada
I'm gonna take one shrimp.
didn't move.
Tucked under here.
So
A little sauce. too.
wasn't the conditions,
It's probably the X-rays. Stunted it.
big shrimp
or else it was like hybrid weed. And the seeds aren't fertile.
Yeah.
Can't grow corn with corn.
you wanna try
What do you want?
shrimp
Cashew chicken?
Mm.
Both?
I want to try both.
You want to try? You want to put them both on the same time? You want to
try
try
it.
one at a time?
I thought you got cow pat.
ข้าวผัด coming
Oh, and you got rice too?
rice just for steam rice only yeah
Green.
You want green pepper?
Mm.
Ah. Wait, you haven't. You have to get this right now. Here. Get you a cashew. Here. You want to try this too?
Yeah.
Yes. Ooh, lots of onions. Yummy. I'll almost put it there.
big shrimp go ahead
Oh, yeah.
It's basil.
Soy,
Basil.
shrimp
shrimp.
There you go. What's this called, Pat?
กะเพรากุ้งกะเพรากุ้ง
Kapal kung.
Okay, you
ตรงกลางเลย
Bingkap.
ข้าวผัดไก่
Thank
ขอบคุณ
you.
มากค่ะ
I'm enjoying that mango salad. Boy, it's been a long time.
What would yeah.
Well, that's the
Good
second
food there,
place
or-
I'm going.
Never been? We have.
Do anything.
No,
Both of you guys
that
have
night
had a
went.
chance to go.
We went all over Thailand.
Well,
I
that's
drove
still stay close to home.
north to south. Spent
How long that take you?
spent all
ค่ะเพื่อนๆทุกคน
over a break.
กินไม่เหลือเลยค่ะ พี่เพชรจอนหลานสาวหลานเขย กินกันเกลี้ยงเลยค่ะ เผ็ดนะคะ แต่ก็กินได้กันหมดค่ะ ต้มยำไก่ผัดเม็ดมะม่วงกะเพรากะเพรากุ้งก็แซ่บอร่อย กินไม่เหลือเลยค่ะยำมะม่วงแมงโก้สลัดไอ้น้องจอนนี่กินไม่เหลือตลอดค่ะจอนนี่กินเก่งมากค่ะทุกคน
Look at your bite.
ค่ะให้เพื่อนๆดูค่ะหมดค่ะ แจ่มค่ะ Gone.
She said, look at us, we ate it all. Am I allowed to lick the bowl, Pat?
โอเคดูต
Gotta have one
ำข้าวเหนียวมะม่วงนะคะ ของหวานตบ
One for
ท้าย
them,
ค่ะ
one for us.
Yeah.
Split it.
Okay.
Yep.
Isn't that nice?
ของหวานค่ะ
Oh, shut up.
ของหวานข้าวเหนียวมะม่วง
What are you talking about?
go for it ของหวานตบท้ายค่ะ ใจดีด and
Steam it.
Will you take it?
take mango
Oh, gosh.
Hand over that spoon for a second before you
Maul it.
maul it.
นะโอ้ย is a
Traditional.
traditional of Thai dessert. You have to eat together with
The
the
mango trees that I planted 5 years ago are full.
Yeah.
Full?
Well,
Isn't- they take
there's
a
a
while,
lot
don't they?
last 4 years. You just start eating them in 4 years. It's amazing. I love mango.
Gela Thai to eat same time together.
Little
Yeah.
bit of each.
Jackfruit.
Yeah.
Have you ever heard of jackfruit?
Yes, I'm
Yeah,
curious
jackfruit.
about that.
What about that fruit that you're
Delicious.
talking
I
about
don't know.
yesterday?
Kyle would appreciate it.
The one
Ah,
that smells.
Durian.
delicious. You can't miss the boat.
I
Cry.
don't think they'd have durian here. I know they might have. Tried
No,
durian.
go for it. It's just it's warm, so be careful.
Oh, a little bit warm.
It is good warm.
Mm.
Turn on top.
จอนอร่อยไหม
Coconut.
จอนอร่อยไหมจ๊ะ จอนอร่อยทุกอย่างอยู่แล้ว
You're just mowing down.
You gotta do it before she gets the pork.